That's tripping me out.
1 week later.
What up, yo? What to do? Welcome back to the vlog. So what's gonna happen today is I'm just waking up and I'm gonna have to get ready because I'm going to uni and have some work to be done. So without further ado, let's go. Yes, sir.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Meanwhile.
Yo, I'm literally on the bus right now. I literally had to run, catch a bus, and yeah, I'm heading to uni right now. So we got some project to do. So it's a group meeting, yo. A little bit sweaty. I had to run to catch this damn bus. I just made it though. That's the most important thing, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah.
Oh shit, that's it. Yo, I'm tired, yo. So we got a group meeting and I'm vlogging right now. So I'm looking for my other team. Alright, cool, let me get yo, what to do? Welcome back. I don't know why I said that, but I'm going back home. So I didn't vlog much on uni because it was kind of boring. So, you know, I don't want y'all to watch the boring part. Yeah. So I'm actually lost. I think I'm lost. Exit. Okay, this way. Yes, sir. I need to get the bus again. Oh my god, what the hell am I? This is the wrong way. I'm tripping. Yo. I'm always lost now. Okay. Yes, I found a way out. Yes. Okay. This way. Oh yeah, I gotta go.
Now I'm thinking now, might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna.
Opening night.
So basically, we're back on it. This is a bad intro. Continue from last night. Okay. Alright, let's get it. So is Josh about to do some skills on this curve? I don't know what's gonna do, but let's. Yo, Josh, do something, bro. Oh. Josh, do another one. Do it for the vlog, Josh. Oh shit. Bro, you gotta land it, bro. Come on now.
Why have you done this?
My vision is impaired.
Woo! That was sick though. Whoa, that was sick. Yeah.
Meanwhile.
Come back.
10 seconds later.
I want those shoes so bad, what the fuck? They're literally on my wish list. Yeah, I've got a crap wish list.
Let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto-tune. Let's hear how you really rap. Send a location. Come burn up, boy, if you're bad. Let's see. Your dad's at home.
Meanwhile.
Yo, the fire alarm just went on right now.
Why have you done this?
We're live right now. Yo, what you say? Yo. We're live still. We've been here for a couple of minutes, you know what I'm saying? So, building's on fire, yo. What are you saying? Yo, it's kind of tricky out here, though. Wait, what are you saying?
I do nothing.
It's for my vlog.
3 days later.
Yo, what up, y'all? So, my name is just waking up. As you can see, I'm clearly tired. So I don't think I've vlogged that much, but whatever I did, I'm just gonna put them together. I'm gonna get to work and start by editing the clips from the previous day. So yeah, without further ado, y'all need to check out. Wait, no, oh, I don't want to get copyright. Oh, copyright! Y'all need to check out what you call it, Clayton Cooper. Anyways, he's an Irish artist, so it's pretty dope. I'll show y'all his music video right now. So 1 second, bear with me. Y'all need to check him out, y'all. It's pretty sick. So anyways, I don't want to get copyright. I ain't gonna play the music video. So it's on Native TV, by the way. So if y'all goes Native TV and just check him out, it's pretty, yeah, Irish artist. Yes, sir. Without further ado, I'm gonna have to edit this vlog for y'all, and let's see what the day has to offer for me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm tired. I'm so sleepy. I have a headache, and I got loads of things to do. Loads of damn things to do. So I just need to start getting to work. You know? Yeah, I said that multiple times, but that's the end of the vlog, y'all. What y'all still doing there? Yo, if you make it this far, yo, big ups to y'all. If you make it this far, yo, for real, y'all. You're a true supporter, though. If you make it this far, if you like the video, if you subscribe, if you're not, please do, because big things are coming soon, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. So I'm out, y'all. Deuces.